The last progression event for Rollercoin this season, Season 9, is well underway, and it is the Rollerfamily progression event, so stay tuned to find out more. Okay, Season 9 of Rollercoin is drawing to an end, and it's time to pump up your power significantly with some amazing rewards from the last progression event of the season called Rollerfamily. On my screen here, you can see the game section of Rollercoin. And here you can see where I am at. I am trying to get this reward here, which is at 36 terahash. I will show you which one that is because the image seems to be broken at the moment. So let's see more details for this progression event. Okay, so at the time of recording this video, there are approximately 4 days remaining for the event. The final miner is a 1.5 petahash miner. So here it is here, Crypto World. That is basically the last miner that you can get in the list of rewards, which I will be showing you soon as well. And we'll be calculating the total overall amount of power, as I always like to do in these progression events. So here you can see that to get to a higher difficulty level in a game, this time round it's 600 points, 1000 points for spending 1 RLT except in the marketplace, and 350 for spending 1 RLT in the marketplace, okay? So most of them are pretty typical, except this one is a bit higher when progressing in games because it is longer as a progression event when it comes to the list of rewards, but not longer in time. Normally it's always around 1 week or so. So let's see those list of rewards and the power that you can actually achieve if you get all of them. So let's start here. You start off with basic stuff like a hat, okay? And you progress down the list. So as you can see, there are not many minor bonuses that you can get this time round. They're all at 0. However, there are many more powerful miners in this progression event that there were in previous events. Like for example, there is a 252 terahash raid miner here at level 15. I am currently working on this one, which is Captain Coin, which is at level 9. So I have a fair bit to go until I actually get to the very end of this progression event, okay? So here at level 20, which is halfway through, this is not the entire list, this is half of the list. I'll show you the second half in a moment, called Gem at level 20, which will give you 936 terahash and a 0.1% bonus, okay? So if we go to the rest of the list, this is part 2, okay? So it continues from 21 to 40, and that's where you get the Crypto World miner, which is the most powerful miner in this list by far. So 1.5 petahash of power if you actually make it to the very end, and you also get a 3.5% bonus that comes along with the Crypto World miner as well. If we go a bit further up the list here at level 33, this is quite interesting. The Nirvana at 1 petahash, just slightly more than 1 petahash in power. That's very powerful as well. You don't get a bonus with that, but it's still a very powerful miner that you can achieve without getting to the very end of the list if you don't actually manage to make it. I do believe that you would need a multiplier to get all of these rewards, so I do suggest that you check out my video on how you can use multipliers more effectively to get all of the rewards in a shorter time frame. So hopefully that will help you out, and that video is coming up above my head at the moment, somewhere up there, so be sure to click on that so you can view that after this video as well. So I've taken the liberty, like usual, of calculating all of the rewards. The minor bonus is just going to be 3.5 plus that 0.1 that we saw earlier. So the minor bonus will be 3.6% overall if you don't already own those miners. But like I've always said, you can always merge miners. So there's the 3.5 Crypto World miner right there. And here you've got the 0.1 for the gem. I don't see that there anymore, but something interesting to note is that there are also neon rack 6s, which give you a whopping 12%, which is the maximum I've seen so far when it comes to racks. The one before that was a 10% rack bonus, and that's the most powerful one that I had seen before. Now there's a 12% one as well. Be sure to also note that there are things like XPs. We're trying to get to the end of the season, get as many rewards in the season as possible. So these are applicable to the event pass, the event, the season. 140 EXP right there if you get to level 14. On the other list here, let's see if there are any more. No more XP. So you can get 140 XP if you get to level 14 right there. Okay, so basically I've taken the liberty of calculating the maximum power that you can achieve from the miners, and that is going to be a whopping 7.1 petahash, just slightly more. Here's the calculation right here, 7.116, okay? So that is a very significant amount if you actually get through the entire progression event. This progression event, when it started, it was around 6 days. I couldn't get this video out sooner because I wasn't available the past few days, but now there are approximately 4 days remaining for this progression event, which you can still manage to complete if you have a big enough multiplier. Okay, so you do need the multiplier. I don't think you're going to get all the way to the end without a multiplier in this case, because there are 40 rewards and the points that you need to get them are quite significant. Okay, so if we see the last reward here, you would need this amount of points here, right here. So that's quite a lot of points indeed. So I wish you the best of luck. This is the last progression event of season 9, and soon there will be season 10 upon us. For season 10, which I believe is going to be called 1010. We'll see more information about that soon, but Rollercoin have mentioned that's called something Retrobit season 1010. So it's like we're going to go back to the retro times when it comes to games and things like that. We'll confirm that. We'll see when it's over in 5 days, 3 hours and 42 minutes at the time of recording this video. Will be the end of season 9, okay? So be sure to stay tuned for more information on the new season as well. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.